When it rains, it pours. Here in Ho Chi Minh, it has to rain. It rained this afternoon. It's rainy season. It's like early, what is it? Mid-September. And it's just raining. I don't know how I'm gonna get across this puddle right here. It's like a water. Oh man, my sandals. Gotta go slow in that water, I guess. Rainy season in Ho Chi Minh. Well, pretty much in whole, probably Southeast Asia. Last year around this time I was in Philippines, in Davao. Oh man, it was raining like every day. Just like this. Walking in the water. Man, I don't know how I'm gonna get across here. Oh.